Step 1. Make dough. Gather your ingredients for the dough. Step 2. Combine flours and salt in bowl. Step 3. In a smaller bowl, stir a cup of water, yeast, and olive oil together, then pour it into the other bowl. Step 4. Knead the dough in the bowl. Step 5. Place the dough in the refrigerator for 1 day to let it rise.
1 day later.
Step 6. Shape the dough. Now that the dough is ready, it is time to assemble the pizza. Firstly, add tomato sauce. Next, add cheese. Now your pizza is ready for the oven. Cook the pizza for 5 to 10 minutes.
A few moments later.
Congrats! Time to eat!